I want to sincerely thank each one of you for making really 23 a phenomenal year. If you recall, when we started last year, we said it's about manifesting. And it all happened, not only in the beginning, not only at the end, but the consistency was there. And I am very, very proud to be part of this agency, the best ever agency team.
For 14 years I've been here in AXA, and I promised Geoff, I told him, we're gonna take this company to the highest as much as possible. And the only way we can do this is to hire the best and to train and develop the best.
For the first time since we got into the health business, the contribution of health of PNH to total business is now at 40%. First time, that's a record, new fresh record for 2020.
We will continue to strive to be the liwanag sa mga challenges natin. It's not always easy, pero laban. So I'm committed. My team is committed.
Together, we can solve our collective problems, your individual branch problems, and we can achieve a breakthrough.
We have to embrace the challenges, and the challenges are opportunities, and relish in the victories, because together, as one very powerful team, we are writing the narrative, again, the story of AXA's success, starting in 2024.
We are going to support this year the wing of the distribution to make sure that we are moving on the same direction and with the same pace. And I'm here to make sure that this will happen. I'm with you, and I'm happy to be with you. And the last word that I will say before I leave, Engels. Thank you so much.